Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. You're looking at a 2024 Kawasaki KRX 4-seater. This is the ESSE model. We've installed some accessories on it. Wanted to do a walk around, show you a little bit about what we've done. It's hard not to notice that 38-inch K-Glow light bar up top from Kawasaki. I absolutely love this light bar for a couple reasons. The mount is very slick, it looks really good, and you do have the green K-Glow function. With the switch itself, you do have off, and you also have green. How cool is that? Gives you some cool looks and some visibility in some highly dusty environment areas. We also have the USA full glass windshield on it. This is the most popular windshield option for the KRX. Automotive glass, so it's not going to scratch like a Lexan or a polycarbonate would. We have paired it up with the Tusk wiper as you see up top. But what makes the USA glass unique? You've got those venting properties. So cool in the morning, you can have these louvers all the way shut. Begins to heat up during the day, no problem. On the inside, you've got a lever and a knob. Just put that forward into any position you would like. Lock that knob in and get you some airflow. If you want a little airflow, open it up a little ways. If you want a lot of airflow, kind of like a wing window on a pickup truck, that baby will open really wide and get you a ton of airflow inside the cab. Absolutely love that. We also have the premium side view mirror kit from Kawasaki. We love this mirror kit. It is a metal type housing. You do have a lot of adjustment. It also has the breakaway function. Pulling in somewhere tight in your trailer, in your garage, smack a tree, it's going to fold out of the way. If you do need additional glass adjustment, you can adjust the glass with your finger here. Here's a little tip for you. If you find that you're the driver always and you don't need to adjust it from driver to driver, if you pop this off with the flat blade screwdriver, there's a nut right here on the back. If you slightly tighten that up, don't over tighten it, you'll firm up that glass and it'll keep it from vibrating. Very nice. We have also paired it up with the Ryco Street Legal kit. We love the Ryco kit. Operates like your car. Down will be left. We've got those indicator lights up on the dash letting you know the turn signals are on. There are 3 different Ryco kits available for the KRX. This one specifically is the headlight replacement kit. So no additional holes to drill or anything like that. The whole entire headlight assembly comes out from Kawasaki and we replace it with this new one from Ryco. The other thing we love about the Ryco kit is it ties into the stock tail lights. It's going to illuminate all those bright LEDs in the rear. Very nice. Also comes with your license plate mount and a light. The mount is specifically designed for the KRX, so it works really good. 4-way hazard function, no problem. Horn integrated into the end of the lever to release the 4-way hazard. Go up or down with the lever. On the inside, we've also got the Kawasaki wide view mirror. It does have a built-in dome light. On this model, it does come with the sound system from the factory. We have added heated seats to this vehicle. You'll see the switch right here. Down will be low, middle is off, up is high, and that is going to heat your butt and your back portion. Very, very nice. You can do those in the front or the back. And before I forget, you do have the detachable dome light with this mirror kit from Kawasaki. Very nice. You drop some tools on the ground or need a little bit of light at camp, great way for you to get a little bit of light. We also have the Kawasaki rear window on this one. I do love this. This is my favorite KRX rear window for a lot of reasons. One, it is a hard-coated polycarbonate. It's not going to scratch very easily, but it will still scratch. A little tech tip for you: if you do get it covered in mud, get a good water source, a garden hose, try to get a bunch of that grit off before you scrape it off. But what I love about it is it is very optically clear, and you have no visibility loss out the back. A lot of different back windows have a lot of metal strength to hold in a glass piece or a polycarbonate piece, and you do lose a lot of visibility out of the back. So we do love it. We have also installed the cab seal kit on the KRX. As you guys know, the cab seal kit is important for the KRX, especially if you're installing a front window and a back window. I do highly recommend that. Check out our other videos on some tech tips for installing the cab seal kit. Also around the back, we do have the KRX rear cargo tailgate box. This is my favorite box for the KRX. It is lockable. You still have all your room in the back for a nice cooler and some additional tools. With the box on the back, it's got a nice seal that's going to keep everything dust free and water and snow, mud and gunk out. And it's a lot bigger than it appears. So on my personal KRX, I would shove a hoodie, a raincoat, a beanie, and a bunch of stuff up in each corner. I've got my drone, tire repair kit, plug kit, air compressor, and all that inside the box. So some jerky, some food, and things like that, so I can hop in a KRX and take off and not worry about not having the things with me that I need. We do have a few of these 2024 KRX 4-seat ESSEs. Of course, they do have the Fox Live valve. You're gonna love the ride on this. This one is sold. Rick, you're gonna love this, baby. Rick is going from a Polaris 4-seater to the Kawasaki KRX 4-seater. He's gonna love the ride. He's gonna love the experience. There you have it. 435-427-3338. Give us a call, shoot us a text, or check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. We'll be sure to post up in the description below a link to the accessories found here. Question? What would you add to this KRX if it was yours? Have a great day, everybody.